Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to lock Facebook Messenger in 2025. So let's head over to our Facebook application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. From there, tap on the Settings and Privacy drop-down box, and from here, click on Settings. In here, you can scroll down, and here just go to how people can find and contact you under audience and visibility section. So head over there, and here you can see that who can send you friend requests, or if you scroll down you will get that how you get message requests. So go to for friends to friends on Facebook, deliver request to. So change it to don't receive requests and click on save, and for others on messengers or Facebook, deliver request to, and change to don't receive request, click on save. So yeah, this is how you can just change or lock your Facebook Messenger, and thus no one can just message you on your Facebook. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.